In working for large corporations and insurance companies, success meant that the people that had been harmed, allegedly because of corporate activity or malfeasance, recovered nothing. As a trial lawyer, I find it now far more rewarding to help injured people get recoveries against major corporations and insurance companies. And that provides motivation to do the job that I so much enjoy. Peterson Law Firm actually has two divisions. We have a personal injury division and we have a mass tort division. The personal injury division handles things like trucking crashes, car crashes, nursing home, and wrongful death cases. Mass tort litigation is something that we do at a national level, and that involves claims against manufacturers of defective medical devices like a bad hip or a bad heart implant device, or it might involve defective and dangerous prescription drugs.
What sets our approach apart from other law firms is we look at every case as a unique case. Our goal is to try to not only solve their legal problem, but take away a lot of the stress and uncertainty that they're experiencing after suffering the physical harm that they or their loved ones are dealing with.
I was driving one day and a guy turned left in front of me, had no indication that he was. Ended up T-boning him. I had back injuries, neck injuries. I talked to the insurance company. I had no idea what they were talking about, when they were talking about my policy and the other individual's policy. So I called the Peterson Law Firm. They promised to do the best they could to get the best result in my case, and they actually exceeded that in the end. I trust the Peterson Law Firm enough that I would refer them to anyone.
At Peterson Law Firm, we have understanding and compassion for where our clients are at this point in their life. What that allows us to do is to put ourselves in our client's shoes and take over the case for them, to let them focus on what's most important. We strive to treat every client like our close friends or family members.
We founded the Peterson Foundation to support children in need. About 2 weeks before one of our identical twins, Lauren, was born, we learned that she had a serious fatal heart defect, and they felt that she would almost certainly die. So we went to Children's Mercy Hospital here in Kansas City, and we met with a team of doctors there. They had developed some techniques that they'd tried. They'd done them less than 5 times ever in the entire world, and they wanted to try those on Lauren. And so we agreed to do that. I'm proud to say that this year, Lauren's going to be graduating from college. Lauren really truly is our miracle child. So we founded the Peterson Foundation to effect positive change to brighten our children's future. Our mission is to help children in any way we can. We've taken the knowledge learned for almost a decade of representing major corporations and insurance companies and imparted that knowledge to a skilled team of trial lawyers at our law firm. That allows us to take on these corporations in a way that most other law firms cannot.
At Peterson Law Firm, we have a big firm feel with a personal touch.